Hi, beautiful souls. So, when you're having some dark few days, the past few days, and you're feeling the negative energy in the world, and you've done everything that you can to raise your vibration and nothing's working, what do? You get in the car and you drive over an hour away to get lost in nature and breathe in all the Mother Gaia medicine that is super healing and powerful. And I just feel better already. So when you're feeling low vibes and you've done everything that you know of, you took all the tools out of your tool belt and your resources and nothing seems to help. There's a lot of negative energies right now. The new moon, the eclipse, full moon is coming up. Solar flares are going on. Chemtrails are in the air, as you can see in the background. A lot of stuff going on that only Mother Nature can help. And this is why I'm here today. Beautiful state park by my house. Well, it's over an hour away, but totally worth it. Me day. I hope you guys can enjoy the view here and enjoy some of your me time to regroup, recharge, and get back to your happy self. Yay! Thanks for watching. Bye for now.